2019 halftime show was arranged by Justin Beebe with percussion by Doug Rowe, color guard design by Daniel Coker, and drill by Lean Ford Design. The band staff includes Matt Decker, Amelia Koger, Daniel Koger, Chris Leeper, Tammy Reyes, and David Wortman. The band is under the direction of Justin Thomas Beebe. This season, the band earned 2 superior ratings at regional marching band festivals, and additionally took first place in their class at South Powell Spartan Southern Classic, along with the Uniform Crown Award, an award given to the highest scoring band in the region. The band would like to thank our fans, band boosters, parents, students, and staff for their support this season. The band would also like to say a special thanks to our graduating senior class of 2020. We wish you all the best.